Hi guys, Matex25 here. In this video I will show you the sensors in the Meowbit, because the Meowbit has 3 sensors. The light intensity sensor, the temperature sensor, and the gyroscope sensor that gives acceleration on X, Y, Z axis.
In this video, I will show you a program that can read the sensor values and how to connect the sprites, in this case arrows, with the acceleration values. I made this code in Microsoft arcade.makecode. Let's take a look at the start. All the code that's inside the start block will be executed at the beginning of the program. Here I defined all the sprites that are used in this program. The bulb for light intensity, the thermometer for temperature, and the X, Y, and Z sprites for acceleration values. Check my previous video about Meowbit and how to do sprites. Here I set all the positions for the sprites and also the background color. This part of the code is for reading the values of the sensors. They are put in forever blocks in order to show sensor value all the time. In order to have access to the commands, light level and temperature and accelerations, we need to go to advanced, to extensions, and then to controllers. Double click and you have it loaded in. And you find these commands in the controller at extras. Here we have 2 sprites, the light bulb, and the temperature thermometer. We have the light level, and we have the temperature in Celsius. The light level is from 0, darkest, to 255, brightest. We have the join command here that we are going to advanced, and then to text we have it here, join. Now we have this block right here. They will set the X, Y, and Z accelerations. Here. The X is representing the X acceleration, the Y is representing the Y acceleration, and the Z is representing the Z acceleration. Here is the code that makes the arrows show the direction where the Meowbit is inclined on X and Y axis. It's using the acceleration value to detect in what direction the Meowbit is inclined. The first if block checks the X direction, and if the acceleration on X is bigger than 0, then the right arrow is moving, else the left arrow is moving. As you can see here, the right arrow is moving, but now the left arrow is moving. The second if block checks the Y direction. Here. If acceleration only is smaller than 0, then the up arrow is moving, else the down arrow is moving. Y-axis has positive direction towards the bottom of screen. Z-axis has positive values when Meowbit is facing down. This was a short introduction of Meowbit sensors. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how sprites work and how to make a simple Microsoft MakeCode game. Like and subscribe. Comment down below if you liked the video. See ya! Bye!